Aluminum and screening contractors. In this video, we're going to share exactly what has been working for our other aluminum and screening contractors all throughout the state. Number one, you have to identify your avatar, right? No shotgun marketing where you're just trying to send mailers to every single house. Some of them are renters, some of them are college kids who don't even know what a lanais is. You have to identify your avatar. So in your industry, that's going to be high income homeowners. These are going to be the people who can afford the quality services that you and your team implement, right? Number two, you have to have an offer. It's not about just taking a picture of a recent job, posting it online and saying, call us for a free estimate. That's not an offer. 10% off, 20% off. That's not an offer. In fact, we don't even like offering discounts because a lot of times that's just going to compromise the integrity of your brand. And it's really like a race to the bottom and just trying to get, the people trying to pay the least amount. We don't want that. We want to posture your company as high quality, and we do that by having an offer and putting it in front of high income homeowners. Now, once you have your offer and you know who you're going to send it to, let's pass the mic to CJ so he can talk about how we do that.
Awesome. Hey guys, so when you have that offer, you're going to want to get that offer in front of tens of thousands of targeted high income homeowners every single month. Now, the way you do this, we do a three-prong approach to get this done. The first prong is we're able to tap into the algorithm and target the high income homeowners who are already actively searching for the services and products that you're offering, whether that's that panoramic view new cage, or that's the lanai extension, or even patio work, sometimes even concrete. Depending on what you're offering, these homeowners are already searching for those products and services. Now, the second prong is we create organic native video content, and we take this video content, we create multiple of them, and we create what's called the 7-tier retargeting funnel. Now, what that is when we can track how long a user watches any of your videos for. So if they watch, say, 15-20% of any of your videos, they're going to be automatically retargeted with all your other videos, creating multiple touch points throughout the funnel. This is going to warm them up even more and more and more. Now, by the time they're ready to convert, that's our second prong. Now, our third prong is we are going to have them submit a form. So when they submit this lead form, they're going to be self-qualifying and answering questions that you're going to want to know about the lead. They're going to answer questions like, when are they looking to get the job done? What services are they interested in? Where are they located? And we're deliberately targeting people in the hottest, geofences that matter the most to your business, the hottest zip codes, the hottest HOAs and neighborhoods and areas within your counties. And now Amy's going to talk about the systems that happen after the lead fills out the form. And go ahead, Amy.
Yeah, well, once you have those leads, you need a system in place so that you can properly nurture those leads and move them through the pipeline. So immediately, speed to lead off the bat is going to be the most important thing. So you know what? We have automation built in to get contact for you to be able to contact that lead without even having to think about it as soon as it comes in. And then we've got other automations to follow up behind you. So this way you can better track your calls and your call attempts. Same thing like when you're going out on an estimate. Are you following up afterwards? Probably not. And you know what? You shouldn't have to. You should have a system that does it for you. That's what we do here at FOBFLO. Same thing with long-term nurture, leads that maybe aren't ready to go just yet, or you haven't been able to actually get on the phone, but you're hitting them with messaging, keeping you top of mind so when they are ready, they know exactly who they need to call. Things like this make sure that you never lose an opportunity. And then on top of that, the fact that the systems that we build track your metrics. Let me tell you, I've worked with entrepreneurs and business owners for over 20 years, and the ones who are successful are the ones who know their numbers. And if you're thinking about trying to scale your business, but you don't have your finger on the pulse and you don't know the numbers and things like that about where your business stands, it's going to be very difficult to do that. So when you have a system like FOBFLO behind you tracking all of that information, it's a simple formulaic thing that you can look at on your dashboard and know exactly where you stand and where you need to put your focus so that you can continue to move that needle. All right?
Yeah, no, well said, Amy. So at the end of the day, guys, you have to understand we manage over a dozen aluminum screening contractors all throughout the state. So that means all the wins, even some losses, compounds, and now we can transfer that experience and data to you from day one, taking out all the guesswork. So if you're an aluminum screening contractor who wants to be able to identify an avatar, create an offer that converts, get that offer by CJ here in front of tens of thousands of people in your geofence, and then have Amy implement a system that's going to make sure no leads seep through the crack, then just click learn more on this ad. And what we're going to do is we're going to schedule a strategic Zoom strategy session that's going to, in fact, we'll share our screen, right? And we'll show you the step-by-step process that's working for all of our other aluminum and screening contractors. So click learn more. We'll see you on the other side.
All right, let's go get some steaks now.